Hi guys, good morning. So I'm here at the back of my house and I'm going to feed my little chicken. Cute kayo. One is cute. Wala. Kabig eh. Duguon na nilo. So it's time to clean the grass at the backyard and it's very hard to get the grass out though. So it hurts my hand. It's much easier if I have a mower. So it doesn't take too long to clean all this grass. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm here. I'm going to feed the chickens and actually I need to clean this first. I need to clean this chicken feeder and after that I'm going to feed. Good morning. Are you hungry guys? Good morning mga chicken. Good morning. Wait, I will get the food. How cutie. Good morning. I need to get your